Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, modify array data with indexes. Unlike strings, the entry of arrays are mutable and can be changed freely. For example, here our array contains three elements 50, 40 and 30. Then if we use bracket notation and give indexes inside that for our array and equate it with some value, then the new array that will form by this, not new array but the old array, will have changed value as this. So 50 will be replaced by the number 15 because here we have given the value of 15. Note that there should not be any spaces between array name and the square brackets, like array 0 should be together. Although JavaScript is able to process this correctly, this may confuse other programmers reading your code. Same as previous video, you shouldn't give a space between the index means bracket notation and the name of the array. The task for this challenge: modify the data stored at index 0 of my array to value of 45. So it would be something like this: my array value of at point 0 should be equal to 45. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.